I did not
You
say
said
that.
I could get in. Come on, man.
Alright, what is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Betty back at it again, you guys. We got some pretty bad news, but we'll get to that later on the S2000. For right now, we are here. We're on Spocom crunch time. We're trying to get this whole car wrapped. The car back there is pretty much almost done wrapped. I'll show you guys off right now. It's a 240 that's being built, LS swap. Out here on the Mikey, doing this whole wrap right here. Here we have the LS one swap 240 SX. This thing is bad. It's gonna drift it, but it's having brake issues so far as we know. You got Luis over here. They just gave him something to entertain himself to do, so he don't bug nobody in the meantime. Bro, this is Hyro. This is the guy that owns the car. You guys just get to see his feet for right now. It's come a long way actually. That dash looks pretty good. Damn. We got the yellow Mugen Type R. What here is Mugen? The lips? The side skirts?
Yeah.
Ooh, okay. This is dedication. You just take off these parts just to clean that area to really get in there. If you're not taking parts to clean up your car, you're not doing it right.
No.
The instructions are they in Japanese? Oh, I got you. I took Japanese in school.
Are you in?
He just has me hold the flashlight, bro. Like, just like the flashlight holder guy. Cause that's all I am.
You're putting it on.
Go, do it. No, this is your car. I'm not gonna put it on. You never touch another man's car. Damn.
Oh, it's loose. Why is it loose?
Damn, dude. Living the Japanese dream.
Don't put it.
No, I know, but you don't want to go fast if you're not sure if you have brakes.
Yeah.
Or it takes off and you don't got no brakes.
Well, he has his
handbrake, but that's only gonna.
yeah.
It's not gonna. It's gonna take a while to stop at like.
He's on.
That car right there. I'll already flip him off.
What?
I think it's one of those like newer cars where like
Oh, he flashed.
No,
it.
he
No, I
flashed.
He did.
flashed. I flipped him off. I went like that.
Yeah,
At all. You can't see him at all. Alright, yeah, he probably shouldn't drive anymore.
That's that crazy highway right there.
oh, it's braking. It's braking.
Yeah, but it's not that good.
There's probably still air in those lines, dude. I know they drained him, but
Oh.
Get up, get up.
damn, this came out good, Mikey.
Okay. Just wanted to see if it would make a difference. Like, look better.
The eyelid.
Cause like, I don't know, the headlights on this look kind of funky to me.
He hates TCs.
I actually missed this car, not gonna lie. This is my car.
Oh.
I sold this to him.
Damn. Okay. Woo. Oh. Looking for the owner of this car? Who's the owner? Oh shit. Made it. You guys made it, dude. Mikey, you made it. The guy who said he wasn't gonna make it.
I think that one's tire is like donezo.
Oh, really? What's up, dude?
Go
show at the bottom. I already spilled it once. I already spilled it.
Oh, you did?
Please goes, don't fuck it up. We'll drop it.
Is he with you guys?
No.
Oh.
You see the bottle? It's fucking in the
Oh. Okay. Oh shit! And you got the little Japanese little with the receipt. Okay. And the cigarettes. This. You guys know a windshield guy, and you're not hitting him up to replace these fucking windshields. What's your deal, bro? I hope you got points deducted off of that.
I thought this was like a cream, but it's lighter. It's a lighting.
Yeah, it's the one I brought.
What's up, BK?
The car with so much attention. Everybody.
Like, I couldn't tell if it was you or not. I'm like, why is he?
All right, guys, we're back. We actually made it to Spocom 2024. We're here. Is that 2000 here? I don't know. It could be somewhere here in the crowd. I don't know. We'll see. Actually, the bad news is it's not here. It's not here. Unfortunately, the S2000 did not make it because it did not get finished, completed, or not make it. So that sucks because the body kit and the body work and the paint didn't get finished. So I couldn't show up. But we're here, Spocom 2024. This is it. RIP to Armani. Woo! Is this yours? Is this yours? Is this yours?
Yeah, that's mine.
Oh, dude.
I just wrapped it. It was so hard to make the decision.
This is what could have been for John's EK. This could have been John right here. Oh man. Yeah, well, this is a hatch, but this is what could have been in sedan. Damn, dude. John, we should have finished. We should have finished, Josh. Unfortunately, we didn't. But it's all right. But we got all the Honda boys right here. All clean, as always, any Honda. Woo! We got the Pawakas. The Pawakas. Yo, this little JDM carboy looking little bus ice cream funny, bro. Okay, swap this one right here. Let's do it. Let's do it.
I got that.
Let's do it.
What, brown one?
A brown one, brown one, brown
You
one.
get a brown dick.
Like the longer one.
Yeah, we like it long.
We're gonna give it to our friend.
Give it. Mission, let's go give this brown dick to John.
What do you think? Yeah.
What do you think? What do you think?
Trailer for the small and short pack? Yeah?
What do you think? What do you think? That one?
What do you think?
I think this one's funnier than
Mission, go put this on John's windshield, the little chode. What's up, dude? Yeah, it's so hot, huh?
I wouldn't buy a Spocom shirt.
Woo! What you get? What you get? Oh, auto fashion? Of course. Auto fashion. Now change. Oh.
What is that thing? A little turd or what? What is it?
Look, dude. It's a gift.
Like 18 or something? Or what?
Bro, pull it out. It's your car.
I don't know what the fuck it is.
Dude, it's a dick. It's a chode.
We should put it in the driver's seat, huh?
Yeah.
Who's driving the truck?
Alright, we got some models here. We're gonna model for the car.
Take it
Here's
out,
what we're
fuck it
doing. Take off the hood for a video photo shoot.
Impact from your...
Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Oh, look down the evidence, cause all those fingerprints.
Now it's just getting horny. Alright. Is that a girl or a horse?
Nice car.
Oh, like, it's not better look behind me, it's just camera.
It's open.
Hey, man, you can't get in my car? Do a reel like that video. Get the fuck out of my car. Get the fuck out of here. I didn't know there. Yeah. Shit. You think that's the guy from Back to the Future? Great Scott. He's a, you think he came back to see the car show? And like the warning you about to live on your time mark?
Checking out the car.
Oh shit, she's about to hit on him. She's about to hit on him. She's about to hit on him.
No, stop.
You're right. Yeah, shit.
But it was open, so I thought I'd give it a look on the inside.
Yellow car and everything. He's like, yeah, that's my car. He's like, yeah. You know how we do it, you know. Yellow. She's like, oh my god, I have the Honda Civic at home. He popped the hood. He's making the video. You have to edit it, bro. Stop. Oh, brother, this guy. What is that? What is that?
You don't see yellow down there.
Huh?
You don't see yellow, the yellow Type R.
Yeah, no.
I think that's the first time I saw it.
Yeah, it's really cool. It's a Mugen. It's a Mugen. It's not mine, but.
Oh, it's not yours?
No, it's not mine. I was just checking out the car.
I haven't seen a yellow one before.
Oh, they don't got nothing back here. What the hell?
Yeah. Huh?
It's really nice. Yeah. No, yeah.
Kill right there. It'd be like this. They'll go over there and be like, hey, stop touching my car. Go over there and be like, hey, that's my car, dude. Stop touching. Go. Go. In front of the guy, go. Go. You up? Ready? Don't shit. Fuck. You're too late.
I get it. You're trying to get it.
Yeah.
What did the girl say?
Yeah, dude. Do your guys'? Huh?
Seat covers from.
Oh, it's not my car.
Oh, it's not your car?
No. I was just making a video. No, I really don't. No. Hey man, I'm just looking, dude. Oh, hey man, chill out, bro. I was just looking, bro. Chill out. I was just looking, dude. Ah, sorry. I'm sorry. Alright guys, we're good. Thank you for being part of the video. so fake. Oh, okay.
I knew he had to have known y'all, bro. There's no way. That shit was crazy. Checking the oil on it. He said it like he grabbed the fucking, you grabbed the cover.
Yeah, nice. Hi, dude. Thank you.
Yeah, no, that's the one of yours.
Hope you guys don't mind being in the video. So. Thank you guys. Thank you guys.
Dude, I was like,
Hop in that bitch. Hey, it's just a prank, guy.
Pretty nice car.
Yes.
It matches your shirt. So there's like we can like go in here and like there's a car show. So can we get in the cars?
I could be it. No, I don't think we can.
Oh, I've been doing it this whole time. No one's told me anything. Yes, no one has.
Idea. I mean, unless somebody gives you a black eye, I guess it's okay.
No one's told me anything. This is like a dream car of mine, so I definitely wanna. You think it's a good idea? Try to get in here. It's a dream car of mine.
I have no idea.
You don't
I
know?
don't know anything about this show, so I have no idea.
Should I? It's open. I'll give it a shot. It's a nice feel.
Hey, bro.
Oh.
The fuck you doing?
Oh, he said I could do it. He said I could do it.
No,
He said I could do it. He said it's a car show. I could do it. He said.
no, I did not
You
say
said
that.
I could get in. Come on, man. He said I could get in.
No, I did not say that.
He said it's a car show, so we're able to show.
No.
I
would not say that.
You're not gonna back me up on this one? You're not
I'm
gonna
not
back
gonna
me?
back you up.
All right. Sorry, man. Sorry. We'll keep going. We'll keep moving. Big shout out to Josh for doing that. I appreciate you, my boy. This was so unexpected, but it worked out so well because it was just, it was much needed. It was much needed because people fell for it and they believed it even more, man. I really appreciate it, man. Thank you, bro. Appreciate you.